Hello. Um, yeah. Now let me share one file with you and talk about it. Yeah. I would like to share one file and talk about that. I think it is this. Which file is that? Yeah, this one. Yes. Uh, Good morning, candidates. Happy Independence Day. I got, say, a post. Since 1947-74, the position of economy. Here, that's why I thought I can share with you. 1947, India attains independence on 15th of August 1947. 1951 to 56, first five-year plan ushered in, targets 2.1% annual growth in GDP, but achieves 3.6% increase in GDP per annum. In the year 1970, industrial licensing policy was announced. Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act comes into force. Then before that, in between 1969, they must have told about the nationalization of 14 banks. Then 1986, 27 broad categories of industries, including computer hardware, delicensed. Consumer Protection Act enacted. Then 1991, India pledges gold reserves to raise emergency loan to avert default on payment obligations. That was the time when Narasimha Rao was the Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh was the Finance Minister. India did not have foreign exchange reserve for making payment for 1 week also. At that time, India pledges gold reserves. Then rupee devalued in 2 stages. New industrial policy abolishes need for licenses for most sectors. Investment by private sector and foreign companies encouraged. That was a time during which globalization started taking place. Major changes announced in trade policy to strengthen export incentives. That was a time when India had a lot of people who were able to communicate well in English. That helped India get a lot of, say, software contracts, and that pushed up the exports of, say, service sector. 1992, Controller of Capital Issues scrapped, SEBI established. Foreign institutional investors allowed to invest in Indian securities. Indian companies allowed to raise resources overseas. Rupee made convertible on trade accounts, FDI norms eased. LERMS scheme was introduced. Liberalized exchange monetary system. That helped, there is no need for us to go to Reserve Bank for everything. Up to certain limits, you are permitted to send money abroad and receive money from abroad. 2017, goods and services tax ushered in. 2020 was the year January, global pandemic came, COVID-19 hits India. Atma Nirbhar Bharat campaign for self-reliant India announced. And thereafter, the amount of efforts taken by FCI, efforts taken by the government to relieve the people of COVID crisis. However, lakhs of people have been affected, crores of people have been affected by this, and let us pray that this COVID crisis will come to an end soon. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Thank you.